Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the L button on the Nintendo Switch left Joy-Con. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, undo 4 screws securing the cover. Next, gently use your fingernail or a pry tool to lift and remove the cover. While separating, make sure to open gently to avoid accidental damage to cables. Next, disconnect the battery plug using a tweezer. Next, take out the battery using a pry tool. Next, undo 3 screws securing the battery compartment cover. Next, gently lift the battery cover and disconnect the ZL button flex. Lift the lever and undo the connector cable to free the battery cover. Next, lift the lever and slide out the L button flex, and then take out the button. Next, undo 3 screws securing the button board and gently pull out the not working unit. Next, place the new L button board and then secure it by adding 3 screws. Next, secure the flex and close the lever. Next, secure the button and make sure the button clicks. Next, secure the ZL button flex cable and place the battery compartment holder. Next, secure the battery holder by adding 3 screws. Next, place and secure the battery. Next, secure the battery plug. Use a tweezer to make the process easier. Finally, snap the cover and then secure 4 screws. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.